Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the in-game language on the SpongeBob SquarePants Titans of the Tide game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the SpongeBob SquarePants game on your device, and after you are taken into the homepage, if you wish to change the in-game language, go ahead and click on Settings, which is the third option at the homepage. Then from the Settings menu, to go into Languages, you will need to click on the second to last option at the left side. This will now take you into the language page. In order to change the in-game text language, you will need to use the first option. Here you will have the arrows at the left and right, which you can click to cycle through the various languages that are available. Once you have found your desired language, you can press the Enter button on your keyboard, or you can click on the Apply Change option as well. This will now switch your language within the game right away, and you can once again switch it in the future at any point of time by going to the third option from the homepage and the second to last option at the left side. Then from the first option, you can once again choose your desired language. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to switch the in-game language on the SpongeBob SquarePants Titans of the Tide game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.